Welcome to our analysis of Groundfloor, a unique real estate crowdfunding platform. It's a robo-advisor designed specifically for investing in short-term, high-yield real estate loans. Groundfloor allows investors of all sizes to participate in real estate investment opportunities, which were previously accessible only to institutional investors. With a minimum investment of just $10, it's an accessible platform for everyone, irrespective of their financial background. Groundfloor offers several key features. It's open to all investors, not just accredited ones, making it more accessible. It allows for investments as low as $10, providing flexibility. The platform focuses on short-term, high-yield residential real estate loans, which can offer higher returns compared to traditional investments. Groundfloor also provides a user-friendly interface with detailed information about each investment, including risk ratings and potential returns, helping you make informed decisions. Groundfloor has a straightforward pricing model. It charges no fees to investors, making it an affordable option. However, it does charge loan origination and servicing fees to borrowers. The returns are net of these fees, meaning you don't have to worry about them eating into your profits. The lack of fees for investors makes Groundfloor an attractive option for those looking to diversify their portfolio without incurring additional costs. Groundfloor is ideal for investors looking for an alternative to traditional stocks and bonds. It's also perfect for those interested in real estate, but lacking the funds or expertise to buy properties outright. Groundfloor is also great for diversifying your investment portfolio, because it's less correlated with the stock market. Lastly, if you're an investor looking for high potential returns and are willing to accept the associated risks, Groundfloor could be a good fit. The primary advantage of Groundfloor is its accessibility. It allows anyone to invest in real estate loans, not just the wealthy. The low minimum investment of $10 is also a significant benefit. Furthermore, the platform's transparency, with detailed information about each investment, is a big plus. Groundfloor's short-term, high-yield focus can offer significant returns, which can be an attractive feature for risk-tolerant investors. Despite its advantages, Groundfloor has some limitations. The most significant is the risk associated with investing in real estate loans. If a borrower defaults, you could lose your investment. Also, while the potential returns are high, they're not guaranteed. Another limitation is the lack of secondary market, meaning you can't easily sell your investment before the loan term ends. Lastly, Groundfloor is currently available only in the US. Groundfloor offers a unique opportunity to invest in real estate loans with a low minimum investment, making it accessible to all. Its transparent platform and potential for high returns are attractive, but it's important to understand the risks involved. Overall, Groundfloor is a useful tool for diversifying your investment portfolio if used wisely and in line with your risk tolerance and investment goals. Thank you for watching our analysis of Groundfloor. We hope you found it informative and helpful. If you did, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more financial insights and analysis. Stay tuned for more, and happy investing.